Hey! Hey! Damn, big baller. How's EDC?
It's fun.
EDC Orlando or what?
You're not that.
I'm kidding, no, I'm kidding.
Let's go.
Camacho wants to ask you guys, should they make an EDC vlog next year? They'll take the camera?
We'll take
Dude, bust it out?
Let's do it. Alright, so you have to talk today, Jesus.
No,
Jesus, you are talking.
Yeah, what's up, Jesus?
No.
Okay,
What are we
mostly,
doing today?
dude, they probably don't even remember you from Brian's install days ago. Zeus here.
Hello, guys.
You guys always say that we have weird nicknames for each other. Well, this is Mango or Oveno. You call him either one.
Christmas.
Or Christmas.
It's like 3 nicknames.
Because you can't get it up no more, Oveno.
Hey, welcome back, Ongo.
There's pills in there.
Welcome back.
Hello. We get a lot of DMs for Imprezas. They always ask us what exhaust to get. And then we always give them the same answers, like we don't know.
Because we don't.
Because we don't.
But this guy here, Jesus, has an Impreza. And he got something for it. Tsudo?
I mean, it's not the best brand, you know. It's just like second, like, you know, like an
The
eBay.
second best.
It was like kind of like an eBay brand, I guess.
Got this is a Catback, right?
Yeah, the Catback.
So this is the Catback N1.
N1, and that was the unequal header.
So we're going to full send.
Yeah, this
It's supposed to be a down pipe, but I think it's just a middle pipe.
The mid pipe?
Yeah,
That's the mid pipe.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So he got.
They claim it's a down pipe, but it's just a mid pipe.
So he should get the rumble with this.
Yeah.
Buddy, wait till we lift the car.
Yeah.
So he's just got the headers, whatever that is,
The mid-pipe,
mid-pipe, I guess,
Yeah, they claim
and the Catback. So I'll ask Jesus to send me everything so we can link it down below for anyone with Imprezas.
That thing to hang.
Yeah.
That thing, what happens is that it connects all the way, you know, like this.
Oveno's laying the pipe.
You're pretty good at it, bro.
I know. Look at that.
I bet lay that pipe down. All right, not bad, not bad. I've seen Ongo do it better though.
Pretty good. What the? Where can I find that?
I mean, it is stock, but it's just like, what do you call this?
The muffler.
Muffler, just like, you know, just a muffler, like.
That's it. That's all you have right now.
Nothing, yeah,
Okay.
just a muffler. So it's stock, but it's just like a muffler, but like
And no hanging.
probably like 20.
Oh yeah, no hate.
$20 muffler somewhere.
So this is how Jesus' car sounds right now.
Look at it red.
Rev it a couple.
It stinks though.
So that's what it sounds like right now. We're going to be swapping that out, like we said, with the new Catback and the new unequal length headers. So hopefully it sounds a little louder and it's going to have that rumble, right, Ongo?
It should, hopefully.
Ooh, you got the titanium too.
Tome.
No, mom, it's Tommy.
Take the silencer out.
Where's it out?
Mira.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
no,
I'm taking
never
it
mind.
off. I want no silence.
These bolts are better than.
Mine.
Might have to for my neighbor, you know.
fuck you, bitch. He's like, keep going till you hear some metal.
Metal crashing.
We're gonna get started on the install because it's currently like 7 in the afternoon and the sun already went down, so we don't want it to get dark, but if it does, oh well.
Oh well, it's not like we drive.
Go till you hear a leg crack.
See the other side went down.
What turbo you running?
I'm running like the. I wouldn't know because I don't have a turbo.
No, it's pretty big though, bro.
This is 16G?
No, look at it, dude. It's pretty
Right here, huh?
Oh shit.
What do you got? Meth injectors right here?
And then he's got the front mount now. As you can see, this is all his piping and shit for the front mount. See his front mounts right here.
Damn, that's sick.
Hey, what? Damn, son, where you going? Look at this fool.
It's just a little rock. Ah, big axe.
Damn!
Holy moly.
Where you going? I always knew you'd be the first one to get married.
Mora, you didn't make me spin. La quinceañera dance, a ver.
Like, if I wiggle it, can you see it?
What are we looking for?
O2 sensor, you know. Double charge turbos is kind of hard.
Dude, these bolts are surprisingly not that hard to break. You'd think they're all rusted and shit, but no. Alright, let's see. Pull on it.
Hongo's working on the... ¿Qué estás haciendo, Hongo? Vale.
I can't figure out which side's loose. I think it's pulling.
So header bolts are all loosened up. There was a total of 6 that were super easy, no rust or anything like that. And Ongo is working on the mid pipe that I think he already got loosened up. And now we're just working on the hangers. Compared to ours, they're a little bit different because, like I said, they don't have a down pipe here. So I think it goes from the header to like another pipe, then the mid pipe, and then the muffler tip. So everything's going pretty smoothly right now. Yeah.
Do you have like a rag or something?
Yeah. So I think
Just
there's still another piece, right?
I think so.
It's like stuck to the header? Okay.
Yeah. Just one more piece.
So last one?
Yeah.
I changed the catalytic converter on my Honda. So
Hella loud?
I took it out without connecting it. Hella loud, bro.
Yeah. This is the stock headers.
With whatever that is.
Turn it on, Mango.
Woo!
Se enoje. Yeah, let's just see how loud it is.
I don't even know if it's like bad for it without the header. But just did it.
Alright. Not if you don't like fucking don't drive it.
It
Don't
already
drive
stinks.
We'll find out after we put
you'll
everything
be
back
good.
together.
This is the header right here, and then it has like this joined by it. So,
The headers with that, huh?
and then this is the new headers. So these are unequal. Those are
I got
equaling.
everything for you guys.
Hongo's getting aggressive.
No. Why are you getting mad, Mango? Or Mango? Chill.
So every 6 months?
you-
Every
all-
6 months.
That's tight.
Because I'm going to the...
Is that one?
It looks like you're in a band.
Like the big ass violins.
Tuba.
Está el pinche hoyo.
We just got the headers all bolted up. The only issue that we're facing is this bracket right here on the new one is hitting the chassis of the car. It's not lining up correctly, so we're gonna have to figure out how to do that so we can get the rest of the exhaust on.
I'm tired. I did all the work.
Basically, we gotta do some couple adjustments.
Oveno's tired. Look at him. Hey.
He's ready for bed.
tired of working too.
We have officially got everything on the car. Everything is bolted
4 hours
on.
later.
After 4 hours.
4 hours.
Dude, honestly, Imprezas are the hardest exhausts out of all of them.
Dude, it was
They're so complicated. It's like hella different. But I think we're ready to turn it on. Oveno's a little
Ooh, I'm
scared because
excited.
his neighbor.
Yeah, my neighbor.
She was complaining before. Now imagine now.
Yeah, she said his car was too loud before. Yeah,
So imagine now.
let's go. Here we go. Here we go. It's not that loud. It's not bad.
Chill, chill, chill.
Oh, our light's dying.
It's about to die.
Oh fuck.
sounds good. Hey, let's go hear it at the Rayleigh's parking lot. Let's go. Oh, what? It actually sounds fucking good, dude. It sounds nice. It does smell hella bad, dude. Yeah, it's actually pretty loud, dude.
Okay.
At first we thought it wasn't that loud, but it's actually pretty loud.
It's an Impreza.
Dude, it smells so bad. You happy, Avino?
Yes, I am happy.
What that rattling is though.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I don't know.
There's something like right here.
Something loose.
Might be a bolt.
You think it was that one bolt we didn't? We just like pushed it.
You guys didn't put the donut gasket.
Ungo's worried about his nail that's falling off.
Hey,
Show him.
oh hell no.
I haven't forgotten.
Alright, let me know when you hit.
You deserve that, Camacho.
What's the mouth?
Yeah.
I'm gonna help you.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And look at this fucking animal.
The gains, dude. The gains.
Badass. And these.
That was his.
You excited?
Might get arrested coming soon.
Because of his neighbor. The neighbor.
What's worse, Impreza or Auto?
What's worse, Impreza or Auto?
Yeah, would you rather have an Impreza or an automatic WRX?
Well, I
I mean, if it was your WRX, I'd take
Yeah, I'd
the
rather
Impreza. Alright guys, see you next time. Peace out.